Hey everyone, Giovanni Giuntoli here with Tearsheet, and we are at the Luxury Finishing Workshop here in New York City. And just a few feet behind me, behind this door, is the behind the scenes, the going on of the photo shoot. So why don't you come with me and I'll share with you some of the elements that are going on. Come on in. So of course, no photo shoot is a photo shoot without the photo set and the photographers. So here is where the final elements are captured in any element of photo shoot. You know, we always test lighting in here, we'll test ideas, we'll see what the camera can capture and see and how it translates to us. So we have cool tones and warm tones, natural softer elements. Over here we're working with patterns, and this is for the hairstylist to understand how their hairstyle really impacts the image and how the image can impact their hairstyle. So for us as hairstylists, it only makes us stronger and better professionals to be able to understand all of the elements that go into creating that special image that your client might be bringing into you in the salon, asking you to recreate. So we're also going to share with hairstylists how to work with makeup artists, because makeup and hair always work really closely together. One is always taking the front and the other is supporting that one. So it's always a real symbiotic kind of relationship. Back here is wardrobe. This is where a lot of the textures and the story, the wardrobe is what dictates to us as hairstylists and makeup artists and photographers. They're really kind of the one that starts the ball rolling in the seasons, and then we get our inspirations from that. So this is the texture and finishes that we work with, and we always bring plenty to work with our models because we do multiple changes in our workshop. Hairstylist, this is where it happens. This is where the hairstyling is going on. We have great hairstylists working with beautiful models to create the hair that we're going to be seeing in the upcoming images that we're going to be creating with the rest of the team that you just met. For more imagery and more information, check us out at tearsheets.com, and you can find us on Instagram at Tearsheets. So we'll see you soon, and can't wait to show you what is being created back here.